So I'm working with 120 amps, number 5 cup, 3/32 tungsten, about a 1/4 inch stick out. Gas flow at 50 CFM. So for all the trolls out there that love to troll my channel, that, you know, the armchair experts that got it all figured out, can you please tell me what I'm doing wrong? Because we obviously do not know what we're doing up here. And while you're at it, please come fill out an application and help us learn a little more here in Houston, Texas, because we obviously don't know what the fuck we're doing, and we need your help like nothing else.